Hey everybody, it's Rabbit, and we got a new crisis to handle. So I noticed the past week or two that every time we close the door, it's a hassle on the garage door. It decides to most of the time it decides to go down about halfway, 3/4 of the way, and then go back up. So today I decided to watch it, and as it was going down, I noticed part of the door buckle, and I saw the actual problem. That ain't supposed to do that. But luckily, I've got a welder and I've got a kid that wants to learn how to weld, so we're gonna fix it. The first thing we gotta do is take this bracket off of here. It's gonna be a 11mm socket. And I had just applied the garage door lube on here, and it says it's extremely flammable, so I'm gonna try to clean off some of that. Something that's gonna evaporate quickly. Yep, that's broken.
I feel like that might hold. Can we like a little further? It's okay.
Well, we got that bracket all welded up, bolted back on and lubed up, but while the kid was welding, I went and looked at all the other brackets, and that one's broken too. So now we're gonna get to work on that one. We got the other bracket taken off the door, and it's broken. Probably with the same type of crack as the first one. I think this time I'm gonna take my hand at this. Maybe I'll have the kid teach me how to do it. Not as pretty as the kids. Like I said, it doesn't look as good as hers does, but a little bit of grinding, get that smooth, that should work. All right, we got all the brackets put back on. Now, moment of truth. I hit the button, let the chain go down and catch it. And voila. It's making a lot less noise now too. How will she go down? Well, y'all, that's Rabbit's crisis aversion for the day. I'm gonna go get some sleep. I got a softball tournament in the morning.